Training is made purposeful from demands of the sector or practitioners' feedback or general feedback from settings. It's important that staff attend training to gain more knowledge, updated information, new ideas, gain confidence, and if they are attending on their own, then they can take it back to the team. They can have team meetings and discuss anything that was said or presented. If the whole team attend, it's really good for self-reflection and then put some things in place for their own performance.
It's really important that practitioners share their good, effective practice. I think it's really good for them to see each other in each other, if that makes sense, and they get to share ideas and inspire each other. It helps to professionalise the sector. I think it's important to hold staff meetings. Every staff member gets an input into what's happening in the provision. And I also think it's important that they're heard within the staff meetings. They gain an understanding of what's going on, they share good practice with each other and come together as a team.
When I was a manager in the Cylch, I had the opportunity to present over Teams to an audience over Wales to share my knowledge and share loads and loads of experiences that I had in the setting, and I had really good feedback from that. This gave me the confidence to go for this job as Curriculum Implementation Officer.